Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to take a look at this parts and service manual from 1975 for Superior school coaches. You got the Scheller Globe Corporation logo and then the Scheller Globe Corporation Superior Lima. So this is a parts book slash service manual for a 1975 Superior. I went ahead and marked a few pages in this to kind of see some notable things. So the first notable thing is when you open the front cover, on the very first page, you've got a list of how to order and things like that. And right here, what's really cool is it shows you what the parts of the VIN actually mean. So I'll go across so you can read them. But it breaks down the VIN of the bus, and it shows you what all the numbers and letters actually mean. I think it was great that they put that in there because that could be pretty helpful to help identify the bus, or if you just wanted to see what everything meant so you knew or whatever, you've got it. So that's pretty awesome. So the first thing we're going to look at are our stop sign options. Looks like you got your regular stop sign with no lights, stop paddle, this stop sign without lights, then you have a stop sign with lights, triangle stop sign with lights, and then that same shape but with lights. So those would have been your stop sign options at the time. So the next thing is this Cutaway model that actually was a real model that salesmen would have had to showcase the body of a Superior. Very hard to find, but would be super cool to have in my collection, or for anyone to have in their collection. But anyways, that's basically the model, and you can probably tell all certain parts of it were actually painted. So to find one of those would be super cool. So moving on, you've got another view of that salesman model, and here's the rear of a Superior from the inside. So right here we've got a picture of a Superior Lodestar. Pretty cool view. And then I assume this is probably the back of the same bus. And it says stop on signal on the rear door. And it has a 4-way light system. It almost looks like this bus has high headroom. I would assume it does just by the extra amount of space of where the warning lights are. But I could be wrong on that. Here's a shot of a step well, and then you've got the Superior Lodestar, which, seeing this photo, you can see it definitely has high headroom. So that's a pretty good looking bus. Continuing on, we've got the picture of a Superior Ford, and you can see it says Mount Vernon Community School Corporation with the bus number. So that's an Indiana bus, and it's got black belt with lettering, so that's pretty interesting. One of my favorite things about these old books is seeing these photos of these buses. Then you've got what I assume is a picture of the same. Well, no, this has a black fender, so that's a different bus. But there's your view of the Superior entrance door. Here you've got what looks to be a ramp for a wheelchair, probably for some kind of specialty bus, maybe for a retirement home or something like that. And there's your view of the wheelchair doors. Here's your inside shot of a Superior. There's your interior shot looking back of a Superior with no seats in it. Here you've got your picture of all the safety equipment, which what I wanted to show this for was for the Superior branded first aid kit, because you don't really see those very often, so that's pretty cool. Here's a picture of the console next to the driver. Got your switch panel, and then your spot. This little door right here would open up, and that's usually where the first aid kit would go. So the last thing I want to show is this order form. It's a Superior, well, Scheller Globe Corp order form for parts. So that's pretty cool to see, and this is basically the order form. You'd put what you'd want on the order form and send it to them, and then they'd fulfill your order. So that's pretty awesome to see. I think there might be, yeah, there was a few, there was 2 in here, so I guess you could cut them out and copy them, or however you'd want to do that. But that's pretty much it. There's nothing on the back cover, but that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing some of these older Superior buses. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think, and yeah.